Welcome to Trade Pro. Here's an update video for the new trading series on the daily time frame using a simple Fu Manchu Cipher B plus divergences strategy. This one I have two entries on, so I'm going to show you the two entries and show you how I did the risk management using the lot size calculator, and also how I set an alert so that it tells me once price has gone 1 times my risk. That way I know when to move my stop loss to break even. All right, so first thing is the entry on Euro against the Kiwi. And this one, you can see that this stochastic K went into the overbought. And shortly after, there was a cross down on the blue waves from above the zero line while the money flow was red. So here's the entry candle right here. And for the stop loss placement, it was using the ATR and the swing high. So stop loss is placed 1 ATR value above the swing high to have a buffer just in case there's a little poke up and then price continues in the favor. So you can see that for this candle, the ATR value was 132. So essentially you just measure what is the distance from here up to the actual stop loss. So you can see I have it right around 132 there. And the position size is done using this lot size calculator. So you simply put in the account balance, the account currency, how much you want to risk per trade, and it's going to tell you your amount at risk, which 2% of 10,000 is 200. And you just put in your pips at risk, which for this one, as you can see, it's 392 pips at risk. That's how far the stop loss is from the entry. And then it's going to tell you the lot size to take based on those metrics. So with this, $7,000 position size on a $10,000 account. So if I lose the trade, I'm going to lose $200 of the account, which is 2% of the account equity. If I win, it's going to be double that. All right. So now for the alert, once price goes 1 times the risk, I can simply click on here and go add alert, but first I need to figure out what price is 1 times the risk. So right here, we have 1 times the risk. So now I can go just right click, add alert, and whenever Euro Kiwi crosses over a certain value, I can be alerted to my email. So it will pop up on my phone. Just so I know exactly when to move my stop loss to break even. So let's go ahead and set it. Looks like it's 1.65151, 1.65151. And now I can go create, or I can change the name of it first. So I can say just stop loss to break even and create. And you'll see it puts a little line there where the alert is. And now I have the alert set. So this was one of the entries, got my alert set, stop loss in place. So this trade is done. I just leave it and let it do its thing until I get the alert or it gets stopped out. The other trade was also on a Euro pair. So we have Euro CAD, and this one I already have the alert in place. And you can see that the stochastic K went into the overbought. Then shortly after, there was a cross down on the blue wave from above the zero line, and the money flow was red when that crossed closed. So that's a valid entry. Price is below the 200 EMA on the daily, so valid entry. And as you can see for this one, if I go into the lot size calculator and we see 404 pips at risk here, and it's giving me a lot size of 0.06, so $6,000 position size. Obviously, it's not to the exact dollar, but it's very close. So essentially, that's it for this video. Another quick update is I'm planning on doing another trading sort of series on the channel, but on Bybit, for using one of the scripts that I have. So trading just purely using the signals from a script. I just need to choose the settings and the script I would like to use for that sort of trading series on Bybit. But I think there'll be another interesting trading series to do with a script instead of manually. and that would probably be done on a much lower time frame, just getting the alerts from the scripts. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this little update. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.